Hi foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making some jerk shrimp lettuce wraps. Such a simple and delicious dish. Let's get into it. So the first thing we're doing is making the relish, guys. So we're going to be using some really delicious fresh ingredients, but we're going to be cooking them and they're all going to mesh together and form a really nice relish, guys. Kind of like, you know, the relish that you would put on a burger or a hot dog. It's really tart, really sweet, adds a punch of flavor to whatever dish it's a part of. All right, it's really easy. I'll be giving it a little heat with this Grace crushed pepper sauce. So delicious, and this actually has pineapples in it, so it works really great with this. Now guys, I want you to taste it to make sure that you are happy with the flavor. It's supposed to be sweet and tart. Make sure you taste, add a little more vinegar or sugar if you want to, all right? So moving on to the shrimp, we are gonna get this nicely seasoned, guys. I have the tails left on. You can leave them off if you want to, but I like the appearance of it. Okay, I'm gonna be going in with some jerk seasoning. This is the mild one, and I really like this one because you can use this and then you can go ahead and add some more things with heat along with this. It works really nice. So we're gonna add that, and we're gonna go in with some of the powdered seasoning, the Jamaican jerk seasoning. Okay, this will have, you know, black pepper and some salt, and that means you don't need to add salt to this at all. I will be going in with some Grace Jerk Marinade as well. You don't need a lot because remember that shrimp is delicate. It really absorbs flavors really quickly. So just add that in there, allow it to marinate, and then we will move on to our other steps. So you could use some iceberg lettuce, guys. I just have some lettuce leaves and I have it in ice water because what this does is it just crisps up the lettuce, so it's nice and fresh looking and crunchy when you bite into it. So instead of using, you know, like tortillas or phyllo dough, we're using lettuce today. All right, so we are going to be grilling the shrimp in my grill pan. You can use your regular grill if you have that, and just watch the sides of the shrimp. Once they start to change color, you flip them over, and once you see that beautiful grill mark on there, you know you are good. All right, remember, don't overcook these because you want them to have the grill marks, but you also want them to remain juicy. Okay. give these a little more flavor with some jerk marinade mixed with some honey. Just brush that on there. Really, really nice. It gives it a nice gloss, but it also gives it wonderful flavor, additional moisture. So good. These look and smell amazing. All you need to do is plate this up with your wonderful relish and the lettuce. That is it. Really, really nice. Look at this. Beautiful, guys. And the flavor is so nice because you have a little heat, salt, a little tang from the pineapple relish, and then the freshness of the lettuce. So good. I found that this had the perfect amount of heat. The spiciness was not overwhelming at all, but remember, you can always adjust. All right, you can always adjust the amount of heat. Okay, and when I'm having the lettuce wrap, of course there's a tail, right? You can leave off the tail if you want to, but I'll show you what I did when I'm eating the lettuce wrap. So all I do, guys, is I just grab my lettuce leaf, right? And then I'm gonna put the shrimp on there. Remember, I said you can leave the tails off if you want to. So once my shrimp is in there, I just hold down the tail with my thumb, and then I'm gonna scoop up some of this delicious, juicy pineapple relish. You'll notice this doesn't need a sauce because the pineapple relish is everything. Okay? See, I'm still holding down the tail, and then I just take a bite, right? My thumb is still holding down that tail, and there you go. Pretty easy, and then you can eat the rest of the lettuce. All right, simple. But you can also leave off the tail if you want to. All right, I just like the look of the shrimp with the tail on it. So give this a try, guys, and let me know if you used it for dinner, or if you used it for game night, or for an appetizer at a party at home. Let me know how you like it, guys. Remember to leave a comment and like, share, subscribe. Thanks again for watching. I will see you next time.